Hey guys, welcome back to my channel VegFit. This is Priyanka here, your nutrition and fitness coach. So many of you guys have been asking me how old I am, and this question keeps coming on my Instagram DMs a lot. So to have a little fun around this, I posted a story with the simple question, guess my age, like a week back or so on Instagram. And to be honest, I was overwhelmed with the responses on that story. Around 80% of you guys have guessed that I am between 28 to 32, and I am really happy to know that you guys found me that young. Some of you guys even guessed that I am around 25 years. Some of you were way too kind and nice to me and guessed that I am just a college pass out. So I take all those compliments. The best part was that when I revealed my age on Instagram, I got even more number of messages asking me that how have I managed to look that young? So if you guys haven't answered that question on my Instagram, then take a moment, pause this video and tell me in the comment below that how old do you guys think I am, and after that I'll tell you my actual age. Hey, don't cheat. Comment below and tell me how old do you think I am. So guys, the moment of truth, my actual age is 37. Yes, you heard it right. I'm around 37 years old. I'm going to be 38 in a couple of months' time. And this was really a big surprise for a lot of people who follow me on Instagram, and they kept asking me that what do I do that I look at least 10 years younger than my age? And many of the women were definitely asking me that how I have managed to look this young. So I thought, why not help you guys and tell you my secret sauce of how I look so young and how I have maintained looking energetic, vibrant as I am like 25 years old. Trust me, doing this video is lot fun for me because this question I keep getting asked even from the people I meet at work. They keep asking me that really if I am 37 years old. So today I am going to tell you, I am going to reveal all my secrets and tell you that what you can do so that you age like this. So before we start with the video and you know all my secrets, go and like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to VegFit. Who doesn't want to look young? Of course, everyone does. But before I reveal my secret sauce to you, I want to put a disclaimer that what this video is not. No beauty regime, no beauty treatments and no shortcuts. If you are looking for any of these, please pause this video, stop this video, don't watch any further. You should follow another fashion or beauty YouTube channel. There are a lot of advices around there. What I'm going to tell you is more of a lifestyle change that will keep you looking young and feeling young and energetic even when you are 35 plus, 40 plus. So if that is what you are looking for, continue watching. One of the most important thing to keep yourself healthy and look fit is diet. I cannot emphasize more than having a good, healthy, balanced diet. Include lot of vegetables, fruits in your diet, very important. Make sure that you don't eat a lot of deep fried or spicy food. Trust me, मैं बहुत limited quantity में spices खाती हूँ, and whatever spicy food also, if sometimes I crave for, I make it at home. I don't eat all those oily curries outside, or even I don't cook that kind of food at home. I always make sure that I'm including good fats in my diet like nuts and seeds, ghee and good quality of oil like olive oil or cold pressed coconut oil. So include all of this in your diet and exclude all those deep fried and spicy outside food. Avoid sugar as much as you can. I have replaced my sugar with either jaggery or stevia because these are more natural foods and also these are more nutritious. So avoid sugar because sugar जो होती है ये आपकी body में बहुत सारा हार्म करती है, वेट तो गेन कराती है, साथ ही साथ ये अर्ली एजिंग के भी साइंस लेके आती है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ women will start facing this aging and wrinkle issues because of the sugar consumption. So reduce that sugar consumption. Follow an active life and indulge in regular workout. At least 30 minute का workout करिए 3 to 4 days a week, which makes it around 90 minutes a week of workout, where you have to include low or a medium intensity workout. That is a must, that is a minimum. If you want, you can go little beyond 90 minutes also. At least 2 hours of workout in a week's time is really really good. ये इसलिए भी ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि ये आपका ब्लड सर्कुलेशन मेंटेन करता है, आपका बॉडी जो वेट गेन है उसको कंट्रोल करता है, फैट नहीं आने देता है, ओवरऑल आप एनर्जेटिक फील करते हो, आपको बहुत सारी बीमारियां नहीं लगती हैं. तो अगर आप बीमार नहीं होते हो तो आप बहुत सारे डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मेडिसिन्स जो आजकल डॉक्टर्स प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, यू कीप योर सेल्फ स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड दैट कीप्स यू नेचुरली हेल्दी. वर्कआउट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज योर ग्रोथ हॉर्मोन्स, जिसकी वजह से जो आपकी बॉडी में सेल्स होते हैं जो डिजेनरेट होते हैं उनका रीजेनरेशन मच फास्टर होता है और आप ओवरऑल जो है बाहर से भी ग्लोई फील करते हो और अंदर से बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा और एनर्जेटिक फील करते हो. सो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं एटलीस्ट 4 days a week वर्कआउट करती हूँ, विच बेसिकली इंक्लूड्स आउटडोर वर्कआउट और वर्किंग आउट एट जिम. You can choose any kind of workout that suits you. Either it can be any outdoor sport, it can be gym, it can be running, can be swimming, whatever suits your lifestyle and whatever suits your passion. But I would suggest at least pick up something and stick to it forever in your life, because the kind of sedentary lifestyle we have, जिसमें हम बहुत सारा बैठ करके काम करते हैं पूरे दिन, इसकी वजह से आपका जो पॉस्चर है वो ख़राब होता है, आप ऑब्वियसली वेट गेन भी कर लेते हो और बहुत सारी बीमारियां लगती हैं. आजकल बहुत सारे लोगों को यंग एज में लोअर बैक पेन, नेक पेन, शोल्डर पेन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट कैन बी मिटिगेटेड ईजिली अगर आप इवन मॉडरेट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ वर्कआउट इंक्लूड करते हैं. थर्ड वेरी बिग फैक्टर ऑफ लुकिंग यंग इज consumption of alcohol and smoke should be reduced to minimal as soon as possible. So I barely consume alcohol. Sometimes I take wine, but apart from that, I barely take any kind of hard alcohols. I have never ever consumed smoke. So basically, that keeps my body very healthy, that keeps my gut healthy. Consuming alcohol actually hampers your metabolism, it hampers your digestive system. So a lot of ways it basically hampers your body. तो ये आपको stop करना है. आजकल का जो ये trend है where people when they meet, when they go out, when they are in a social setup, everybody says that hey, without drinking कोई party नहीं हो सकती. I love to hang out with my friends, I love to go out, I love to party, I love to dance, but all of that is only to make me happy, but drinking doesn't make me happy, it rather makes me sad. क्योंकि जिस समय भी मैं कभी भी ड्रिंक अगर कर भी लेती हूँ या किसी ने फोर्स कर दिया है, मैंने एक ड्रिंक भी ले लिया, आई रियली फील बैड लेटर ऑन और मे बी नेक्स्ट डे, बिकॉज drink makes you lethargic, it makes your entire metabolism slow, it makes your body slow. You will always notice that after drinking the next day you will feel very dehydrated, you also feel very slow and lethargic. So avoid drinking alcohol and smoke, not only for short term but for a long term benefit for your body. It is very harmful. Another important thing is makeup. So I barely put on makeup. I do very basic makeup, and that too I don't wear any kind of makeup more than say an evening, which is like 2 hours, which will always be very rare. The reason is that I am not against makeup, but I only feel that all of these cosmetics, no matter how expensive or how good a brand it is, it in a way harms your skin. I do not apply makeup. This is one of the reasons I don't even feel good after applying makeup. One more reason is that when you apply makeup, this basically, a lot of people I know of, they apply makeup because they want to hide some negative aspect of their skin and just to look good for a short period. So when you get into a habit of applying makeup, basically you are hiding your deficiency or anything that is wrong with your skin, and which I don't want to happen. So I want to see what are the issues in my skin and I want to cure them or naturally. And I try to explore with a lot of foods that can help me have a better skin, that can help me have a better hair or body or overall your digestion and gut, but I do not go for anything which is not natural. So for improving your skin, actually your food and your workout all put together will help you a lot. Even the sleep quality will help you improving your skin quality. I would highly recommend getting a test done that can help you understand that what are the foods that your gut is not friendly with. So if you have any kind of allergies with the food, it will easily come out. So there are a lot of tests done that can help you understand your food allergies. So I have recently got it done and I'm trying to remove all of those foods from my diet so that my overall body, my overall digestion, skin, everything can improve. So this is the reason why I don't apply makeup, but I try to experiment with natural foods more to make sure that I am not looking good just from outside, but I feel also good from inside. Last but not the least, positivity. So I practice a lot of things that can help me feel overall positive in life. So obviously workout is one of them which helps me release a lot of stress, and it has helped me go through a lot of stress in my life, a lot of issues in my life. But apart from that also there are some kind of habits that I follow which help me keep myself positive and stay away from all the negativities. One of the things is I do not like to interact with people, or I do not want to have people in my circle who have very negative thoughts in their life. Some of the people you would have heard, जब लोग बात करते हैं तो वो ऐसा सोचते हैं कि ना ये पॉसिबल नहीं है या ये अच्छा नहीं है, या whenever they talk वो दूसरे लोगों की बुराई करते हैं. मैं ऐसे लोगों के बीच में नहीं रहना चाहती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू मेक श्योर कि मैं जिनके साथ हूँ, मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं या कलीग्स हैं जिनसे मैं ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट करती हूँ, दे हेल्प मी ग्रो, दे हेल्प मी लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. एंड इससे जो होता है वो आप अंदर से पॉजिटिव और अच्छा फील करते हो. ये जो नेगेटिव थॉट्स हैं ये भी आपके ओवरऑल फेस और स्किन पे दिखने लगते हैं. I read and listen to a lot of podcasts on how I can be more efficient and perform my work in a better way. And I like to learn from people जो कि करियर में, अपनी लाइफ में मुझसे अच्छा कर रहे हैं और मैं जिस डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहती हूँ. So this basically helps me in feeling overall positive, in feeling more energetic towards life, in feeling fresh ideas. अगर आप ये पॉजिटिव चीज़ें जितनी ज़्यादा अपने आसपास रखोगे और नेगेटिव चीज़ों को जितना अपने से दूर करोगे तो ये आपको अच्छा भी फील कराएंगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस साउंड्स वेरी weird, but these positive thoughts can actually make you look and feel a lot younger, and you will progress a lot better in your life. So these were my secret sauce. Oh, they're not secret anymore. I have told you everything. In terms of diet, workout, your sleep quality, the kind of food that you take, I would always say कि कोई भी चीज़ ऐसे मत करो कि अगर आपको मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि आपको ये फूड अवॉइड करना है तो उसको कम्प्लीटली अवॉइड करो, या आपको अगर अल्कोहल नहीं लेने हैं तो उसको कम्प्लीटली कभी नहीं लेना है. मैं ऐसा कभी सजेस्ट नहीं करती हूँ, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग हैज़ इम्पोर्टेंस इन लाइफ. क्योंकि हर चीज़ का कभी ना कभी ये होता है कि आज कर सकते हैं, बट वॉट यू शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इज कि आपको ये सारी चीज़ें मॉडरेशन में करनी है. जो चीज़ें आपको मैं या कोई भी और इन्फ्लुएंसर ऐसा बोलते हैं कि ये चीज़ें लाइफ में अच्छी नहीं है, आपकी बॉडी के लिए, आपकी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छी नहीं है, ऑलवेज अप्लाई 80-20 रूल इन इट. कि आपको जो बुरी चीज़ें हैं वो 10-20% ऑफ द टाइम ही करनी है. अगर आप 80% ऑफ द टाइम गुड हैबिट, अच्छा डाइट, अच्छा वर्कआउट फॉलो करते हैं, ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल लुक यंग you will feel young and you will feel energetic as I do. So it's not a secret sauce anymore. You guys should start following all of these things from today itself. Make fitness a part of your life and not just a short-term goal like losing weight. It's gonna go a long term in your life. You will be benefited. Trust me on this because I'm the live example. If you are in your 20s, start practicing all of these things from today itself, and trust me, if you are 30 plus, 40 plus, it doesn't matter. You will look as you are today ever if you feel healthy from inside. So that was the video today. If you found all of this information helpful, please like this video, share with your friends, and keep coming back to VegFit. I'll see you in the next video with lot more fun and information. Bye bye.